nandito kami sa PCMC or Philippine Children Medical Center. Ayan, so
Can I buy more?
bakit tayo nandito? Because mapapacheck up ng teeth. Ayan. So papacheck up natin siya kasi kailangan natin ng pedia dentist.
Can I go?
So, ayun. Okay. Wait, ganda rito no? Parang school, no? Para may mga mural sila, no? Dali. Dali sila train. Train. Diyan lang. What is that? Philippines? Ah. Are you familiar with that landmarks?
What is that from New York?
Yung mga
What is that called, guys?
New York. How about this one? This is what?
I don't know.
The Sydney Opera House. I think this is in New York. This one. And the Leaning Tower of Pisa. This one. No? The Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Carousel Monument. Pero nasira na siya. Styro kasi siya eh. What is this one? This is the Big Ben in London. And I think this is the Aztec Pyramid. Pero bakit nakatungtong sa Eiffel si ano? Statue of Liberty.
This is the secret moment.
This is in Brazil. The Rio de Janeiro. How about this one? The Golden Bridge in USA. Then the Colosseum, and then what's that? Eiffel Tower. France? Paris? Yeah.
So cool. You cannot catch me, guys. Tag.
Huh? Huwag ikaw sabi mag-run, mapapawis ka eh. Ha? Waiting tayo, waiting. Julia. Wait kami ng aming turn, pang number 3 kami.
Guys, look, let's learn ABCs.
ABC.
Small A. Big A.
Ano yan? Candle yan? Lemonade? Hindi lemonade.
Tatay, are we in Manila?
Wait lang. Oh. Ambience parang solar pa din. Okay. Okay. What else? Okay. Let's go. Tara na dito. Huwag mo na maglagay ng ano dyan. Where are we going? Third floor.
Orange.
Huh?
I'm orange.
For orange.
Mm.
Yeah.
Wait, look at that over there.
Yeah, nice.
Look, there's another one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ayan. I don't know. Baka sa dulo. What's that? Strawberry donut? Ha? Kakat? Then we have our kare-kare. Ayan, eat muna tayo. Eat muna guys. Eating fries. Anong sa lasang purikake?
This is it.
Okay guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Soler North, dito sa may EDSA Diliman, Quezon City, no, sa Diliman. Ito ay bagong bukas at katulad din ito, no, same name doon sa Soler sa Pasay. About sa result ng pagpunta namin sa pediatric dentistry, hindi naman pala urgent na bunutin or extract yung mga ngipin ni Julia dahil may tumutubo ng bagong ngipin. Hindi naman nakakabahala or hindi naman sa kailangan or need na. Kasi yung ngipin ni Julia may tumutubong bago at yung mga bulok hindi kayang ma-push. Kumbaga yung root or parang pinakadulo ng ngipin is lumabas na doon sa parang gilagid niya. Yan, sa gilagid niya lumabas na. At sabi ng doktor, we need to wait 3 to 4 months, babalik kami doon to have a follow-up check-up kung kasi gumagalaw na raw yung ibang ngipin. So ibig sabihin, pwede na raw yun ma-push o mapupush talaga sa nang lumalabas ng ngipin. At hindi naman daw delikado yung lumalabas sa gilagid. Ayun, so mag-brush lang ng teeth always, and then ayun, at least meron na kaming hospital number sa PCMC.
Where's Jeffrey?
Yan, drawing ni Julia. Ito drawing ko, Tooth Fairy.
I am
Tooth Fairy. Pupunta sa bahay yan.
And where's my tooth? Where's my teeth? Let's do it.
Kawin na tayo. Babay ka na sa kanila. Babay na. Babay na.
No. Bye guys. I'm going to the pool now.